these Bostitch N88 series is real easy to work on. Take the cap off. I've already taken off most of the bolts off of this just to speed things up here. This is your main valve in the cap. You have 2 O-rings on the outside, 1 O-ring inside. Come on. Yeah. O-ring here. These O-rings are a little loose, which is good. That helps them seal. When you put this in here, just center it up. After you change O-rings, center it up. Make sure the O-rings are not pinching. Put plenty of oil on them. Once you get them centered up, make sure everything's working right. They're not pinching. After that, you can pull the piston. Change O-ring on that. You want to change O-rings on the cylinder, or if the gun is if the gun won't work, there's one thing to look for. Has an O-ring here, you can change that. And it also has an O-ring here, but I don't see no point in changing the O-ring behind that unless you have to. Or even this one unless you have to, but they are included. Anyway, this gun, I bought it on eBay, and it wouldn't work. And the reason it wouldn't work is because this check valve was busted. This check valve, it's got a series of holes around here, and this check valve goes around here, and it helps bleed off the air inside the cylinder when the piston's driven. I didn't have one, so I had a bicycle inner tube, and I cut small strips, cut about 5 or 6 of them, and I packed them around those holes, and I put the gun back together and shot it, and it blew. It made enough room just right for the gun to work. I got about 2, 3 holes exposed, everything else is covered. Gun works perfectly. So you don't necessarily have to go out. This check valve, you could probably only get it either from a service center if they installed it, or buy a whole kit, $35, $40. I mean, that's a lot of money in this economy, you know, if you work in construction. So you see what I did? It works perfectly. After you do that, just change O-rings, put the gun back together. Put your piston back in, center this back up, bolt it down, test it, you're good to go.